Hey, I'm Wes Skillstra from Remax Escarpment, and we are here in Welland at 110 Pinehurst Drive. This is located in a beautiful family neighborhood, and we're literally a stone's throw to Niagara College. And this home has not only a main floor suite, we've also got a fully separate basement suite with separate entrance and separate laundry. This is an ideal setup if you're an investor or looking for multi-generational living. If you want more information about this amazing property, just call or text me at 289-213-7337.